the writing of the Declaration of Independence. The Second Continental Congress began to move towards independence. In 1776, delegates from Virginia proposed that the United Colonies are and have a right to be free independent states. Now they had to think about whether to accept this resolution. There were 5 men on a committee that were assigned to write a document to explain why the colonies felt that they should be independent. John Adams, Benjamin Franklin were part of the group, as well as Thomas Jefferson. Thomas Jefferson was only 33 years old, but he was a great writer and thinker, and the committee asked him to write the first draft of the Declaration of Independence. He wrote this draft in his room on a folding desk. It took him about a week to write it and rewrite it and rewrite it. And when he was done, he finally showed it to Adams and Franklin, who made only a few changes, and then they gave it to Congress to view. Members of Congress argued about independence, and on July 2nd, they voted to separate from Great Britain. They spent the next 2 days talking about each word within the Declaration. They had to make a number of changes. Delegates from the South didn't like the statements about slavery. They used slaves in the South. Jefferson had called slavery cruel war against human nature, but Congress had to take these words out to get those delegates to agree. Some changes angered Jefferson, but everybody knew that the colonies had to agree in order for them to become a united country. So finally, on July 4th, 1776, Congress approved the Declaration of Independence, which was drafted by George Washington, edited by Adams and Franklin, and then voted upon by Congress.